In the past week, this video managed to pull in more than $20,000 by showcasing a product on TikTok. It's mind-boggling, really. It feels like everyone is cashing in big bucks on TikTok nowadays. And that particular video style we witnessed? It's spreading like wildfire, generating hefty affiliate commissions. Today, I'm excited to share how you can craft videos that achieve similar success, regardless of your editing abilities. Plus, I'll walk you through kickstarting this venture from any corner of the world. But before we delve into the details, brace yourself for something truly astonishing. So, there's this website called Kata that gives insight into trending products and how much money people are making. This account has earned $430,000 in affiliate commissions. The second has made $330,000, followed by $298,000 and $289,000. And those numbers are just for the last 7 days, so trust me, this is no joke. People are making serious money here. But what blew my mind even more was this account right here. As you can see, it's a fairly new account with around 7,000 followers, which is not too impressive at first look. However, what's crazy is that in the last 30 days, this account has earned over $60,000 by promoting this coconut pulling oil for oral health. And they did all of that without even having the product in hand. They create videos that rely solely on AI-generated images and the most used AI voice. This is what would happen if you started oil pulling every day. First, you would notice that your hair becomes thicker. Here we can see this AI video generated $41,000 in revenue and another brought in $1,000,000. So here is how you can create these types of viral videos using AI. Step number 1 is product selection, and this is the easiest step as there are thousands of options to pick from. Step 2 is rating a viral video script, and I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to craft scripts that convert. Step 3 will be turning the script we created into stunning visuals using tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT. And in step 4, we'll use InVideo AI to put everything together and create powerful videos in just a couple of minutes. So let's say you've done the research and decided to promote this Guru Nanda Sint pulling oil, which has generated $1.8 million in the last 30 days. Not too bad, right? After that, you need to find a competitor video promoting your product that performs well. In my case, it's this one with 3.5 million views. Next, you need to transcribe the video script. You can either manually write down the script as you watch the video, or if you're using the same tool I'm using, you can simply click here to export and copy the script. So our goal now is to use this script as a template to write our own. Because think about it. Why reinvent the wheel if something is already working? So, to do that, we will open ChatGPT and use this prompt. I'm creating a 30-second TikTok video promoting your product. I want you to rewrite the following script using exactly the same structure, writing style, tone, and length. And here, you need to insert the original script from the competitor's video. So by using this prompt, ChatGPT will generate a script similar to the one that went viral. For example, the original script starts with, "This is what would happen if you started oil pulling every day." And the one we generated begins with, "Ever wondered what happens when you make oil pulling a daily habit?" So it follows the same style, but isn't a duplicate. So at this point, you should have your script ready and it's time to generate the visuals, highlighting the main keywords and brainstorming visual ideas based on those. However, if you want to save time doing all of that, you can use the prompt you see on the screen, and this prompt will give you a detailed structure for your video, including all scenes and an idea of the visuals you can use. And this method is guaranteed to save you hours. So I spent some time on Midjourney and ChatGPT generating all the AI images needed for the video. Here on the screen are some of the prompts I used in case you want to create something similar. So at this point, you should have a winning product, a powerful script, and stunning visuals. This means it's time to put everything together and create a masterpiece using InVideo AI, which is a tool that turns any line of text into custom videos. Create a 30-second TikTok video about teeth care and add subtitles where the current spoken word is in yellow. So, the tool then generates the script, voiceover, and edits all the clips for you.
Unveiling secrets of a radiant smile. Brush twice daily, morning and night, for 2 minutes each. Floss daily. It's not just for leftovers, but also for plaque. Rinse with mouthwash to kill germs that brushing misses. And remember, sugar. Sugar is a tooth's worst enemy, so limit your intake. Smile wide. Your pearly whites thank you.
Say goodbye to yellow stains and hello to a confident smile. So after signing up using the link in the description, you'll land on this page. Now in this box, you can enter a prompt and generate a video with just one click. But in today's video, we will use the workflows. Right here, as you can see, you can generate all types of videos: YouTube, YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and so on. Now in order to generate this style of videos, we will use the script to video workflow. However, if you want an in-depth tutorial where I explain everything about InVideo, I highly recommend watching the videos I'll link in the description. Now we all know that InVideo AI is smart enough to automatically generate your video script. However, using the script to video workflow, you can create a video using exactly your script. So I'll open the workflow and start by selecting the type of video from this menu. For our example, we're creating a TikTok video. Next, I'll paste the script we generated previously in this field, just as shown. Here in this section, you can select the background music for your video. For example, it could be inspiring or motivational. Moving to the settings, you can choose the voiceover. InVideo AI offers a variety of voices to pick from. When you are finished, click Continue and then Generate a video.
Do you struggle with bad breath? No need to fret. It doesn't have to be that way. Gurunanda's pulling oil is specially formulated to target bacteria and tough stains in your mouth that your toothbrush alone can't handle. Interested in trying it out? Look for the link in the bottom left corner of this video.
Now, although the video does not yet look exactly as we want it, it's quite impressive given that we've only provided the script to generate it. But the question is, how can we turn the video we have into the style we want to create? Well, it's actually super simple, and here is how to do it. Once the video is generated, click the Edit button. And here you have the option to edit both the media and the script. So let's say you're not happy with a part of your script, you can simply delete it or change the structure. I can make this section shorter or longer. And the AI will then adjust the video and voiceover accordingly. But in our case, all the magic will happen inside the Media tab. As you can see, here are the clips used in the video. And if we select any of them, the related text to that scene will be highlighted in yellow. So our goal now is to replace these clips with the AI images. Start by clicking the Upload Media button and upload all the images you've created. Select the clip, check the highlighted text, and replace it with the correct image until you have replaced all scenes. After replacing all the clips, click on Apply Changes, and you'll now notice that the video is starting to come together. But obviously, we are not done yet, as we still need to add subtitles to make it more engaging. Luckily for us, this is super easy. Do you see this text box underneath the video? You can actually use it to give text-based commands to change or add something to your video, remove the music, change the voiceover, or whatever else you need. In my case, I will ask to add word-by-word subtitles, where the current spoken word is in yellow. And once we click Generate, we'll have our masterpiece ready.
Do you struggle with bad breath? No need to fret. It doesn't have to be that way. Gurunanda's pulling oil is specially formulated to target bacteria and tough stains in your mouth that your toothbrush alone can't handle. Interested in trying it out? Look for the link in the bottom left corner of this video.
So now you can export your video and you should be ready to go. You can't actually imagine the time you'll save using InVideo, as you don't have to do any manual editing or cutting yourself. And the best part is you can actually try it for free. And starting at just $20 per month, you get unlimited exports, voice clones, and lots of cool features. Hope you found clarity and understanding in every part of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.